What's up, guys? My name is Sinamon Shepo here, and welcome to another video, guys. And in today's video, guys, I'm gonna be teaching you how to promote ClickBank products, right? How to promote ClickBank products, start a website or start a funnel, right? Either way, right? So I'm gonna be teaching, and actually this way is very effective, especially the way we do it, right? So first of all, what you wanna know is your product, right? So I usually go in the e-business and e-marketing because that's the niche I'm in, right? But then for now, let's do the health and fitness niche, right? So let's go into health and fitness niche. Then you want to sort out your product. I'm pretty sure if you are looking for this tech, you already know all these things, right? So maybe you don't, right? So you want to search for gravity, and your gravity should be 50 and above. But I like to keep mine like 40 and above just because if it's 50 and above, then you have less options. I like to have more options to pick from. So let me say 40 and above. But I prefer 50. I'm just saying 40 so I have more options to pick from. Right? So we look for a product in this things, right? So red distance. We don't want to promote this. A lot of people are already promoting it. 207 gravity score. It's not good for us upcoming marketers because only the big affiliates that are getting it, right? Only the big people that are selling it through their big email list, right? So you want to look for a product that's actually very good to promote it. So let me find one real quick here. Uh, Back to life, right? So I like this one. So you want to look at the sales page and how the sales page is, right? And one thing people don't look at the affiliate page, right? Because you wanna look at the affiliate page and actually look out how the product, like how the person is promoting the product and how is it gonna benefit you and everything, right? So this is the sales page. Blah, 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 blah. I like it, a man and a woman, and then there's a video here. Click to watch, right? And then let's go on the affiliate page. Affiliate page, you get 25% commission, right? And then get all this blah, 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 and I think this is a product, right? So it's a very good product, I think so, right? So what you wanna do, right? So when you have this product, you have your product. Let's say you want to promote it, right? So let's say you want to promote it. So let's get our link. Okay, now this vendor asks for permission. So we'll pick another one. No problem. Right? So this vendor requires some special constellation. Right? So uh let's say this one. 2 weeks diet. 2 weeks diet, 83 grams score. I have been promoting it because I'm pretty good result with how generate it. And if you don't know what it is, uh, there's a link, right? So uh, let's uh, let's paste a link somewhere here. So right, somewhere. So, right, so that's our link. So if people buy from us, they'll will get a sale through that link, right? So you wanna go on YouTube and search for health and fitness, right? Health and fitness or losing weight. Let's say losing weight. Losing weight. Because we are in the losing weight, right? And this is the recipe detox. I mean the two diet, right? So in this you wanna look for first a thing the video that is less than 4 months old. Because if it's 5 months old, it's not going to be effective because it's already saturated and everything. When I look at it, 4 months old, right? And it's actually good converting, right? And it's not from brand, but this is a doctor just so let's look for another one. You just keep on looking 2 years ago, 1 year ago, you don't wanna promote this. 2 days ago, this is actually very good. Right, so let's go. This is 2 days ago. Right? What I eat, how I'm losing weight. Right? So let's go to this. And you actually wanna look, you wanna email about 50 people. About 50 people in this stage, right? Just to promote that. Because you never know who's going to answer. Right? Because not all of them are going to answer. Some people are already full. It's on 616,000 subscribers. And why I'm saying you should contact these people. let's say, why I say you should contact these people, because the only way they're getting paid is through Google and through the AdSense, right? Through YouTube AdSense. But us are getting paid two ways. We're getting paid through the AdSense and when you're promoting products, which is our main income anyway, promoting products, right? So you go here, right? You see, so you want your link to be somewhere in this description, right? It's gonna be very effective. You want your link to be in this description, right? So let's look if there's an email somewhere here, right? For business inquiries, visit blah blah blah. Okay, so what we do is you go there, go to gmail.com obviously, and you wait for that thing to load up, and you actually want to write them a nice, very sweet email on about their page, right? So let me show you how you should write it, right? Before I actually go, wait, let me compose that. Write my email that I'm going to write to that person. But I already wrote it out 5 minutes before this video, but I'll read it again and explain to you what you should like and everything like that, right? So here's the email. Here's the email, right? So you say, hey, right? Like for instance, her name is Alex, right? So you say, hey Alex, I just found out, I just saw your channel and it looks, like the content that you put on there, right? Because you want to compliment her first. Because if you just say, hey, I want to promote, please promote my product, no one's going to do that, right? So you want to, like say, hey, I like your channel. I think what you're doing is good. Like I said here, right? I just saw your channel and I like the content you put out on. Very helpful, especially the one about. So we go to this one. So go in this one, especially the one about. This way you say, especially the one about what I eat, right? So you say, especially the one about what I eat and how I I am. Yeah, just say, I am losing weight. Then say that you put out on, right? Put a comma, that you you posted on the 20 uh 20th of December, right? 20th of December, right? On the 20 December, December 2013. No, I'm just joking. 2018, right? So 2018, right? So basically, that's what you wanna do, right? That's what you wanna do. This is the email that you wanna write, compliment it. So because you wanna specify on the date and the time, right? Because maybe she has two videos about this, right? So maybe the title is a little bit different, right? You wanna specify the date and the video for what it is about. You say, I was wondering if I can give you, right, X amount of money. So in this case, let's say $50 or $20, right? Depending on what offer you're giving out and how much you're willing to pay the people. So let's say $20. Let's say you want to give out $20, 20 US, right? 20 US bucks. Say, hey, I wanna give you. Don't put it in color. By the way, you can copy this out, write it on your notepad or something like that. So, but it's very simple. 20 bucks, right? So you put my link to my website in the description of your video, right? Now, why am I saying to my website? Right? Because you don't wanna say the link to this website, because they're gonna be like, hey, you're giving me $20, but I'm gonna be making you over $100, right? Which is not fair unless you give me $50, right? So they wanna price you higher. So that's why I wanna say, hey, I just wanna drive traffic to my site. Nothing. Just say I wanna drive traffic to my site. Really, nothing really, right? So people can, so you can like, okay, he actually wants to drive traffic to my site, and then say hope hope to hear from you, right? Just film, right? Hope to hear from you. Just film, right? So you wanna copy this. So you are composing two where's our person, right? So this is the email you wanna compose to, right? So this is the email you wanna compose to. I'm gonna copy that, and then we say tool. You go there, my text, and the subject you say business related. Cause she's even the email says it's for business inquiries only, right? And then you wanna copy this, copy, uh, copy that, blah blah blah, and you wanna paste it, and then send it. Wow, wow. Even December is going on, right? Uh, then you wanna send this out, right? I'm not gonna send it because I don't wanna promote, but that's how you should structure it, guys. So hopefully that works. Send this email, send the same email, but just change out the thing that you need to change out, like the video, like this video, and the like. If it's probably not about weight loss, change up the text a little bit and to your liking. To your liking, not everyone likes this text, not and everyone is gonna use it probably in the same. So change it up a little bit, advice, because a lot of people are gonna use this same text, and what if 5 people use the same text to them, right? She's just gonna pick the first one that's got it, and you guys are not gonna go get anything. So that's why you wanna change it up, be a little bit unique. But this is just like a draft work that of how you should do it, right? So that's how you should do it. Wait, let me not do this because I don't want accidentally sending her anything and then having to pay money for it, right? This world is a lot of souls, right? So that is how you do it, guys. That is how you get for your sales, right? So when your link is somewhere in here, right? So people click on your link and they see the video on your on this thing, they're like, huh, the red key, the tool is back. I think I like it, right? Say, hey, I think I like it, right? Plus you get a $32 commission, and then I will say like, hey, because when they click the link, they go to the video, they watch the video, and everything's cool, right? So they say, hi, I think I like it, and everything like that, right? So because they get to see this video and it's actually nice and powerful. That's why I say, and they see the success story, they might buy from you, right? So I'm just saying about this product, right? So thank you guys for watching. My name is Suleiman Shiapo. Don't forget to check out my first link in the description to my number one recommendation that teaches me everything that I know right now that I'm teaching you and more, right? So thank you guys for watching. My name is Suleiman Shiapo. Subscribe to the channel if you are new. Don't forget to like the video and peace out.